Hey, my friend, I saw you drove on personal conveyance last night. What's going on?
Yeah, so? What's the problem?
You know you're not allowed to drive on personal conveyance, right?
What do you mean? I just drove to the Walmart. What's the big deal?
Really? You expect me to believe that? You drove with a loaded trailer to the direction of your delivery for a whole hour, and it was toward a Walmart.
Alright, you got me. Listen, I had an hour. I was so close to my delivery. What do you want me to do?
Tell me, you think I was born yesterday?
Why can't you just close your eyes and pretend like you can't see it?
Well, what you should be doing is you should be taking your 10 hours off and then continue in the morning. You really think that I want to lose my job over this?
Wow, you really like to over-exaggerate. Trust me, you're not gonna lose your job over this. I used to do it all the time in my old company.
Anyways, I gotta write you up. You're gonna get an email from me, you sign it, and then the next time this thing happens, I'm gonna have no choice but to dismiss you.